When light hits sequins, a dress turns into a tiny fireworks show. Today on My Day My Choice, we explore sequin mother of the bride mini dresses that sparkle without stealing the spotlight. These looks are joyful, confident, comfortable, and practical. We will cover fit, fabric, color, and comfort so you shine with grace. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay until the end for shopping tips and smart styling ideas. Start with length. A mini dress for the mother of the bride does not need to be very short. A hem just above the knee feels modern and respectful. Check movement when you sit, hug, and dance. Make sure sequins never scratch your skin. A soft lining and calm fit keep you comfortable all day. Small tailoring at the waist or shoulders helps. Pick sleeves or straps that feel secure. Next, choose the right fabric. Sequins can be sewn on mesh, jersey, satin, or lace. Lightweight mesh with stretch makes sitting and dancing easier. Higher quality sequins are smooth, quiet, and do not shed. Rub the inside gently to check for scratchy seams. A breathable lining keeps you really cool under lights and photos. If the dress feels heavy on the hanger, it may tire your shoulders during long celebrations. Color matters. Sequins reflect light, so the shade you pick will change the mood. Soft champagne, pewter, or blush keeps things elegant in daylight. Emerald, navy, or burgundy looks rich for evening receptions. Ask the bride about the palette so you complement, not copy, the bridesmaids. Try the dress in natural light and indoors. Avoid colors that blend into decor or tablecloths, so you truly stand out beautifully in photos. Necklines and sleeves shape your style. A V-neck opens the face and pairs well with soft curls. A bateau or high neck feels classic and polished. Cap sleeves add coverage without heat, while long sleeves look sleek in cooler months. Check that sequins near the armhole do not rub. Supportive undergarments can smooth lines, but comfort wins every time. If you can raise arms easily, the dress will dance well. You deserve a dress that celebrates you and the love you helped grow. Sequin Mother of the Bride mini dresses can be fun, respectful, and comfortable when chosen with care. Use these tips to pick color, fabric, and fit, then dance with joy. Thank you for watching My Day My Choice today. Amazon affiliate links are in the description. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.